Saturday, I'm heading to Itaewon for having lunch with my friends. It's raining right now. I didn't expect it's gonna be raining, but it's raining, so I'm gonna have lunch and I'm gonna chill out after that. It's been a long week, but I'm trying to cheer myself up and kind of take care of myself in the weekend, recharge myself for the next week. I got ready, so I'm excited. Actually, we are going to a vegan restaurant which is called MCLANEE. That's in Itaewon, so it's gonna be really fun. My room is a literally mess right now. I didn't know. I just pulled out this skirt and top and thing just turning out a mess. Anyway, I'm just gonna head out soon. Actually, I got a new eyebrow pencil, so my eyebrow, they look a little lighter, and I got a new cheeks. It's really pigmented compared to my expectation, but it's really great. I love it. Obsessed. Already. I just used them once, but no lips. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna head right now. Hi guys, welcome back again. I've gone through a lot for a couple of days, so you guys saw the last clip. I filmed that on last Saturday, and today is April Tuesday, and it's the second day of my quarantine. Basically, my parents got COVID and I didn't get, so I have to be at home for 2 weeks. So my quarantine is supposed to be end 19th, I guess. Yeah, 19th April. I wanted to do kind of a weekend vlog, but on Sunday my mom got a message that one of her clients got COVID, and she has like kind of symptoms of having a cold, and she went to a clinic to see a doctor, and the doctor told her like, oh, you just have a cold, it's not COVID, is that okay? Because she doesn't have any fever or something, she just coughed a bit, and she told me like she's a bit under the weather. So the doctor prescribed some pills, and they had been taking that, but they didn't see any good like improvement. That happened like last Thursday or Wednesday, I didn't exactly remember. They went to the hospital because in Korea, if you have symptoms, you can get the test with free of charge. They got test result on Monday, and at the time I didn't get the test because I believed that they're just having a cold, because not all of people got COVID, although they encountered some patient, they got the positive result. So after getting the result, I went to the public clinic, so I got the test and I got the result right now 1 o'clock, right around 9, and I'm negative, so I was kind of relieved. So I was in like emotional turmoil, like if I caught a COVID, like the influence to others, I was really worried about them, but everything's okay right now. My parents were hospitalized. If you got the COVID in Korea, you have to be hospitalized. There's a specific area in Seoul, so you have to go there and you have to be isolated with others. They don't have any fever. The symptoms are really mild, but they feel like under the weather, but it's not like severe symptoms or something on like television or from news, so I was relieved. My father, I think he was kind of reactive compared to my mom, but I was at the first time when I heard the news that she met the patient. I was really mad, but I don't want to blame them, so I didn't show my anger. So for a couple of days, worries and kind of, I don't know, negative thoughts. So I cried a lot yesterday after they went to the place to hospitalized. I don't know, just kept crying at night, but I'm getting okay. So I'm waiting for the sanitation. I don't know how to translate that into English, but I'm gonna get a kit for people who are isolated because of COVID from the government. So I want to do a kind of haul because I want to use this quarantine, although I cannot go outside, as positively as possible as I can. I know it sucks because the weather is like, can you see? Amazing, it's literally like heaven, but I cannot go outside, but I'm so grateful for my result is negative and my friends as well. So no blame, no shit anymore. I want to kind of film the whole quarantine because I want to use this time wisely. So what I want to do at first, I want to explore more home workout and yoga and meditation and breathing technique. I want to practice and reading books, listening podcast. I want to record some music, so I pick up some songs I want to practice. Yeah, and those things I want to do during the quarantine. Oh, and I got a new like this moisturizing cream from a brand Brudia, so I'm gonna test it out and I'm gonna make a video soon to review this Lichikrím, and I recently got a few days ago this book because I want to improve my vocabulary. And 2 government officers came to my house to sanitize the whole area. Yeah, one of them told me like, oh, you might be bored, but please have a good quarantine. On my mind, I feel like I've never felt bored. My brain is always full of ideas what I want to do. I never felt bored, to be honest, and I spend time by myself a lot. I'm so good at, so I don't have any issues, and I feel such a calmness because the house is really silent because I'm the only one here and my area is kind of far from the main street, so I'm gonna enjoy my day. And after getting the kit, I will do a haul and I'm gonna figure out how to upload quarantine related video, and I'm not sure who's gonna watch. It's gonna be boring, but if you are in quarantine or in a similar situation, I hope you feel better and resonate with me. What can you do, you know? I'll be right back with the kit. So finally I got the kit. I'm not sure what kinds of things are inside of it, so let me just open it. And sorry for my kind of natural environment, because actually the closet, the door was broken. Anyway, oh, kids are screaming. Wow, there are so many things. Gonna check this kit. Oh, okay, this is a kit for exercising. Perfect, because I love exercising. This is for like home workout kit, I guess. This is information about Tabata exercise for 4 minutes. So there are some ways I can exercise with the items in this kit. Oh, this is exercise band. I already had it before. What else? Ball, right? A small ball, right? And they also gave this one, Magic Solution Liquid. So this is for like sanitizing, and there are a bunch of mask here. Official garbage bag, so I will keep it here. Hand sanitizer, instant hand disinfectant with moisturizers. Ooh, fancy. Yeah, so great. Feel like I'm doing a beauty haul, but it's like a COVID I mean quarantine kit. What else? This is body temperature. Damn, I can use it for 100 times. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one. And there's some like a official document I have to sign up to prove that I'm in the quarantine officially. So I'm gonna fill this out, and there was also an application I have to notify my health condition twice a day. So the government official told me like, oh, you have to enter your physical condition right now, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so there you guys have this short quarantine haul. I hope you guys like it, and I don't know, I haven't figured out yet how often I'm uploading my vlogs, but I'm trying to do often as possible as I can. Yeah, so that's my plan. Thanks for watching, and I'm okay. I feel better, and I got a lot of support from my friends, so I'm really appreciate that, and I know I'm strong. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog. Have a good day. Bye bye.